Airflare. Laten we starten met bridge, een brug. Oké, we gaan 3 keer een brug doen. 3 times bridge, up, kop in kas. Ja, goed je armen uitstrekken. Stretch those arms out. Oké, hier gaan we. 3, 2, 1, up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back down. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. And back up, 3, 2, 1, up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back down. Last one, bridge, out through the handstand. Okay? Fingers to the inside, open up the shoulders, and try and go out through the handstand. Als dat niet lukt, if it doesn't work, cheat. Cheat. Speel vals. Ga een beetje langs de zijkant. Cheat and go out sideways. Just as long as you get a little bit into the motion, you get used to how it feels to go out through a handstand. Okay? 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Up. 10, 9. Stretch the arms out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out through the handstand. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yep. Nice. All right, sit down, legs open and stretched. Open up the legs, open up the legs, open up the legs. Let's lean forwards. Voorwaarts leunen met je bovenlichaam. Lean forwards, and let's put the elbows on the floor. Get those elbows on the floor. All right, let's grab our left foot with our left hand, linkervoet, linker hand, and then right arm behind us for those pike positions. And imagine yourself, beeld u in a 90. Hier moet je zijn. Ja. All right, switch. Right hand, right foot, rechterhand, rechtervoet. And other hand behind us, pike position. Chest up, flying in the Airflare. All right, and let's stand up. Stand up, Melvin. Let's go for pike on the right hand. Pay attention. Legs open. Open, chest up, very good. Come back, other side. Pike. Legs open, not so good. Legs more in, hips more in, boom, and back. 10 on each side, 20 in total, 10 on each side. Keep the legs open and stretched. Nice. 10 on both sides. 20 in total. Okay, nice. Mocht terug zitten, sit down, legs open and stretch, again. Open and stretched, open and stretched. Schuift naar voren, open up the legs. Yep. Ja, nog meer naar voren. And again, upper body, forwards, elbows on the floor. Really work those hips. The hips have to be more flexible. Niet tegenduwen. Ja. All right, now let's take our 90 hand. What is our 90 hand? Put your 90 hand in the air. Okay, so with the 90 hand, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our foot. Whatever you... Now, Other foot, yes. So if your 90 hand is your left hand, you grab your left foot with your left hand. If your 90 hand is your right hand, then you're gonna grab your right hand with your right foot. Gotta open up, bro. Yeah, man, stretch on the daily. Okay, so our invert hand, 16 hands, yeah? Die is belangrijk, okay? So what we're gonna do now is, Leroy, only on this hand, on the 16 hand, the reverse hand, we're gonna do one hop and we're gonna land it in a pike. So one hop and land it in a good looking pike. Yes. One more. Open up the legs and give us a little bit more hang time. Bam. Not bad, not bad. You feel it's a little bit fragile, okay? That's what we want to get rid of. Dat is hetgene waar we vanaf willen geraken. Dat zo fragile is. It's so shaky. One more time. And try and stick the freeze. Give us a good, clean, clear landing. Bah. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Let's do this only on this side. Alleen op je 16 kant. 10 times. Let's go. Hop, pike. Hop, pike. One good hop and a good pike position. Give it a good hop. Een goede duidelijke hop. Make it clear. Boom. Good. Ja. Stick.
Nee, nee, echt pijn.
Van wat? Van te strikken?
Ik kan niet, het is gewoon echt super veel pijn.
Bro, er is altijd iets. Er is altijd iets. One last one. Wait, let's do it together. Laten we die samen doen. En 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. En 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yes. All right, sit down again. Sit down again in the cipher. This is important because this is the landing position of the Airflare. Start from a power kick. Power kick, stop. All right. Ooh. So what we're going to do right now, wat we nu gaan doen, strikken. Ja. Heupen naar beneden. We're going to do walkover Airflare. And here, when we land on the landing hand, we're going to do one hop, boom, and we're going to pike it when we land. So it's power kick, first hand, second hand, walk over with a hop, boom, and we're going to tap the foot. We're going, yeah, we have to tap the foot. Let's try and see what it looks like. Nice and slow. All right, so that's pretty good. It's not very clear, but it was in the right direction. Let's do one more time. Walk over. Too low, too fast and too low. Let's do again, one more try. Walk over, hips high. Ah, almost there, okay? Well, I guess you guys know the exercise. We kennen de oefening. Let's go. Walk over with a hop. Yes. Yes, good. Slower, slow it down a bit. Beetje trager.
Coach Sambo presents the Airflare Masterclass, the perfect program for anyone just starting out with Airflare, and for those who want the secrets for crazy variations. More than 100 different exercises with real results. Unlock your Airflare. Buy the Airflare Masterclass today.
Yep. Let's go, guys, let's go! Yes, good. Show more legs. Ja. Ja, wat jij dus juist aan toe waard was goed, maar je moet dat gewoon traag blijven doen. Ja? Yep. Yep. Ah, almost. Ja. Ja. Yes. Ja, goed. Ja. Guys, als je die overstap maakt, hè, when you do the walkover, here, show us the hop. I gotta see the hop. The legs, they gotta move. They gotta really bounce. Let's go, let's keep going, let's keep going. Show us the hop. Yes. Don't forget to tap the foot. Voetikken, niet vergeten. Voetikken, dat moet erbij. Hop. Ja, ja, ja. Ja. Hop. Yes. All right, let's push up the difficulty level. Anthony, kunt er eens voordoen. Walk over with a hop on the inside and then a 90. Walk over with a hop and then a 90. Ja. Traag, hoog. Walk over with a hop and then the 90. One more. Yeah. All right. Let's go, guys. Walk over with a hop and a 90. Dat is goed. Yes. All right. Let's go. Ja, goed zet. Ja. Ja, hoe hoger, hoe makkelijker en dat is de goal. Yes, goed. Ja, 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 kom aan Leroy, goed. Come on guys, nog. Ja. Woe. Ja, verder, goed. Ja, ja, ja. Last one, last one. Ja, Rabin, bro. Oké, ga maar zitten. Ga maar even terug zitten. Nice one. Dus wat we aan het oefenen zijn, what we're practicing right now, is the landing. The landing position is the most challenging part of the airflare. Most people struggle years with landing this position to connect to a windmill, to connect to a 90. Veel mensen sukkelen jaren ermee voordat die dat kunnen verbinden naar een windmill of te goed kunnen landen. Die landingspositie is vaak niet goed begrepen hoe dat je er juist mee om moet gaan. So what we're doing right now is we're practicing this landing position. We're getting used to how it feels like and where our body is positioned when landing the airflare. We zijn aan het leren hoe dat wij ons lichaam moeten plaatsen bij de landing. Waar staat alles juist? Oké? Dus nu, Melvin, kom nog eens een keer. We're gonna, because we only have a few minutes left, we gaan naar multiple airflares. We're gonna try some multiple airflares. So now the thing is, the trick is remembering this position, the landing position. Let's do a power kick and then stop. Yes. Okay, good. So let's go for like a full airflare. We can do it high with a jump. Hop, boom. When you hop and you land the position, this should be very familiar. It's what we've just been doing. Now do one hop, een kleine hop, boom, and then your hand can reposition itself. Yeah, less tangled up. And then you can do the second airflare. We're going to try it multiple times. Jump, hop, and then again, jump, hop. The thing is, you always want to land in the same position. As soon as you start landing a little bit lower, the airflare is going to crash, for sure. Dus als je springt, wilt je landen op datzelfde punt altijd, waar je nu aan het landen bent. Als je de 90 hebt gehaald, hè, if you made it to the 90, that means you know the right position. But now you got to always land in that position. Especially when you do 2, 1, 2, most people with the second one, everything has gone lower again. And then you cannot make it 3. Je haalt de 3 gewoon niet, omdat je heupen en je bekken, die staan niet meer op de juiste positie. Dus de challenge is juiste positie, the right position. And then again, boom, right position, and then right position. Every time you're landing in the right position, you can add the airflare. But as soon as it goes a little bit lower, it's over, okay? So let's push it out. Let's see how much airflares we can do at this point. Let's rock and roll. Multiple airflares. 1, 2, aha. Ja. Ja, maar dit was niet slecht wat je nu deed. Mag wel wat trager nu. Not too fast, not too slow. Up, up, yes. And 1, 2, good, good, good. Yep. Boom. Ja, verder. Go. Speed. Come on. Hoog. Blijf erin. Ja, goed. Hup. Goed. Come on, Sip. Knock. 1, 2. Yep. Up. Hou alles hoog, dat is niet belangrijk nu. Knock, come on. Hier gaan we. 1. Nee, 2, ja. Ja, je moet op dat punt blijven.